So continuing off of the advanced search, I wanted to show you how to customize your tables and get rid of information that you don't need, so that you can download it and only have what you want in your data table. So what you want to do is click on Customize Table, and it provides this chart, and there's a lot of detailed functions, but I'm going to show you generally, just how to get rid of data that you don't need. So if you do not want this margin of error, simply left click and drag it out. And then again, if you want to get rid of margin of error, left click, drag it out. So now for this table, all that you have is the estimates of the raw data. And if that's all that you want, if you collapse these, when you download the data, this area here, if you select, you can insert these directly into an Excel document. You can just right click, copy the cell with headers or copy cells, and you can paste it into your document. Otherwise, you can export the table, but that'll send the whole table. If you want additional tutorial videos on how to customize your data, different functionality, I recommend going to, just going to the Data.Census.gov, and there are additional tutorials here that you can use. About 2 pages of them. They have interesting topics, and I do recommend them if you want to continue to learn different ways that you can use the census tutorials.